Hi guys, this is Universal Programmer and welcome to another video of Python for Beginners series. In this video, we are going to take input from the user. So I'm going to say age equals to input. And I'm going to pass what is your age. And then I'm going to print age. Now I'm going to run it. Give it 12 and it's going to give me 12. Now whenever you are using the input statement, you need to keep in mind that this returns a string. We can check the data type stored inside a variable by using type. So I'm going to print type of age and you can see that it's a string. Whenever it's a string, if you do something like age plus age, it's going to give you 1212, but we don't want that. We need to convert it into a number or an integer to perform geometrical operations on it. For that we are going to convert it into an integer. So you can say age equals to int age, and this is going to convert it into an integer. You can also do something like you can put your int over here and put your input statement inside that int. Then the int is going to get a string because of input statement, and then it's going to convert it into an integer. And as you can see, it converts it into an integer. You can also use eval over here. Eval is automatically going to evaluate the type of data inside the string. So I can say, and I can put 12 and it's going to convert it into an integer. I can use 12.2 and it's going to convert it into a float, but it can't convert a string. Remember that. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.